Marowala eni komiti maloso romo mar joket mwandu mar Nyanza Investment Conference oromo kod jotend riwruoge pinje wasunge kara EU mar keto kenge mag yudo sir ne nyasi no michano bagi giko dwe manyien. Romo no ng'iyo mar menyo chenro mopogore mag ohala e alwora mar Nyanza moting'o ohala mar nam, pur, thieth, somo kod kunyo mwandu mag lowo. Komiti no kotelne kod jatend migawo mar tudruok Eliud Owalo wacho ni gisegoyo kwan chenro go mag dongruok kendo koro gidwaro josir ma pacho ka kod mawuok pinje maoko.
What we have managed to achieve by way of outputs is that the Nyanza International Investment Conference Organizing Committee has given an exposé to the EU mission on the objective of the conference, the investment opportunities available within the Nyanza region, which prospective investors from European countries can uptake. And we have agreed that the EU mission, we have appealed to them and they have agreed that they will help us, the investment committee, to bring prospective investors to the conference based on the opportunities available informed by comparative advantages of Nyanza.
So we very much appreciate that the different counties came together to form this alliance to promote themselves together in a strategic and focused way. So this morning our ambassadors, the EU ambassadors, gave also some input and suggestions on how this investment conference can be successfully focused to attract investment, both foreign but also national investment, including